Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, it's a nice sunny day here in Chicago. We've got more summer-like temperatures than fall temperatures. Some rains are moving across the western Midwest and will move into Chicago tomorrow. 6 to 10 day and 8 to 14 day outlook calls both for above normal temps and normal to below normal precip. So perfect harvest weather for the U.S. summer crops. A volatile day overnight in China's stock markets. They were higher, then closed lower, dropping 5% from their highs. Still a lot of uncertainty in China about their stock values and what the government's going to do as far as their economy is concerned. Today's a big day for our financial markets. The Fed will have their meeting at 1 o'clock. They'll decide if A, they're going to raise rates, B, if they're going to talk about raising rates sooner than later, or C, talk about delaying rates, waiting for better U.S. economic data. As far as the grains are concerned, pretty quiet overnight. Beans and corn a little bit lower, wheat unchanged. We've got the outside markets, the dollar's lower, crude's lower. It was interesting to see that Goldman Sachs CEO criticized China on how they're handling their stock market. We also note that wheat prices continue to drop in Europe and Russia. Those prices now, especially for feed wheat, is below world corn prices and could reduce the demand for U.S. corn exports in the nearby. We expect bean export sales to be close to 1 million tons. They were almost 1.8 million tons last week. China's president will be in Iowa next week, and we're expecting them to come in and sign paperwork to buy more U.S. soybeans. Corn sales, 500,000 tons, last week 400. Wheat sales somewhere around 300, maybe 325. Last week it was 290,000 tons. So wheat and corn sales continue to lag pace to meet U.S. export demand. We did see that after USDA released their acreage enrollment for farmers and the prevent planted acres, they will probe the release of the incorrect data that pressured crop prices yesterday morning. As far as the funds are concerned, there were small sellers yesterday, meal, corn, and wheat. They bought soybean oil. They continue to be short beans, long corn, and short wheat going into the U.S. harvest. So we'll be watching what the Fed does at 1 o'clock. We'll be watching money flow after that, and then we'll be watching how the market reacts to slow global export demand and the approaching U.S. summer crop harvests. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.
Yeah, we're selling 18.
Okay, and a bond.